Hello everyone! Welcome back to Studio Andy. For today, we'll be unboxing and swatching another painting medium, which is the Arteza Gouache Paints that I got from galleon.ph. These paints were supposed to be part of the art supplies haul video that I uploaded. By the way, if you haven't seen it yet, I will put the link below. But these paints didn't arrive on time. However, I still want to show them to you to help you guys choose the proper art supplies that will work for you. Also, I will be announcing the winners of Studio Andy's first ever giveaway. I know many of you have been waiting, so let's begin! So that's the Arteza Gouache Paints. I hope you enjoyed unboxing them with me. What I love about the Arteza paints is that it's very easy to use. It glides on the paper and the colors are pigmented, so a little amount of paint goes a long way. The only thing that I don't like about it is that the box is quite large and bulky for just 24 tubes of paint, so I might need to store them in a smaller case. But anyway, please let me know your thoughts about these paints or what other paints that you suggest I try next time in the comment section below. And now, here are the winners of the art supplies haul and giveaway video. Thank you so much guys for joining. I honestly had a hard time choosing because all your answers were absolutely great. But don't worry because we are preparing for another giveaway on our next video. So please subscribe so you won't miss them. Congratulations to the winners and thanks for watching.